Okay, now let's be real. Why does Manus beat every other slide presentation tool? First, if you look at ChatGPT, basically it's used for text only, and Gamma AI is limited customization. But when we talk about Manus AI, one thing that comes to play is that this is what is designed for. But if you look at others like Canva, it's template lock. Manus has full autonomous creation plus file export. So basically what we are talking about is that Manus has ability to create all of this slide for you in real time, and it's going to be something perfect that you will really love. Okay, enough of the talks. Let's give Manus a prompt. One thing I've told you in the previous video is that it's good you have a comprehensive prompt. In my previous video, I'll link that up in the description of this video. You are going to learn how to prompt rightly. You don't just say create a slide on what and what is it going to talk about and what are the edge cases. So that is why for us to have this, I'm going to paste this just simple prompt, but better than what you have here. Okay, so it's going to talk about a pitch deck for a SaaS tech ops called Flowdex and a project management tool for a remote team. So if I hit this, by the way, you can use a voice input. So if I hit this, so Manus is going to start the execution of this task and is going to put everything together. And one thing I want to show you is that on the left hand side, you are going to see how the task execute, and on the right here is going to plan the execution. And take note, it's going to show you the time it's going to run for. If there's an extension, it's going to as well let you know about that. Okay, so while we wait for that to finish, you could see that Manus also enable you to add files into your project, and you're also going to learn how to rename those projects automatically, and as well as use the voice prompting. You can see you can add PDF files and every other thing you want to add, and it's going to make that awesome. And one amazing feature I talked about earlier is that the mobile version is very intuitive. You can do that on your laptop as well as your mobile phone. So I'll show you that as we progress in the video. So guys, you could see that Manus is thinking, putting up everything to make this slide possible. It's going to more like create tasks for itself, and at the end of the day, it's going to work on each of them, and it's going to tick every box in those tasks. I'm not just bluffing about this. Look at it. There are 4 things here. You see, it's going to tick them one after the other, and it's going to work on them page by page. So it already created something for us, slide outline, and here you could see the Flowdex remote team, Flowdex unified space, market opportunity, feature, performance legacy, and every aspect of this slide is going to make it possible. So it's almost ready now, and here is still in 3/4. Let's just give you a few more seconds, and I believe it's going to do that very well for us. Okay, so one thing I also want you to know is that Manus is not just a desktop app right now. You can as well use it in your phone, and one beautiful thing is that you can be doing that task on your laptop or your desktop as well. You are regulating it on your phone with the same prompt. So that is the update that Manus just released. So before our prompts gets ready, you could see that what you have here, the desktop or whatever you're using, laptop, is going to also reflect on your mobile. So beautiful. That means you can control some of your tasks, coding tasks, whatever you're using, automations, you're going to control them right on your mobile. Okay, back to what we're working on. You can see that it's going to pull the pages together, and it's working on the 2nd to 12th, organizing it, every bit of it, and it's going to produce something very awesome. And one beautiful thing is that you can always make changes. So let's give it a few more moments and let it put all of that together. After just a few minutes, it's going to help us prepare our slide, and you're going to have something as wonderful as this. Okay, you could see that it's a 12-page slide, and all of the slides are ready. So what I will need to just do is move to the end of it so you could see. Then let's check it out. Let's see what we have so that we have a deep view of what we have. So as you can see, this on the left, you're going to have each page of the slide, so you could see that this look good. All right, okay. So another thing, if you didn't like anything, you can actually edit. You could see, you could edit, duplicate, just as you have for normal slide. Okay, so you could change anything. All right, you could change the color, the text, you could change any information you want to change. Okay, but for what we have, I think this makes a lot of sense for this particular thing we are trying to do. Okay, so you could see the performance legacy tool, you could see the scalable, you could see the scalable revenue model and each page of what we have. Okay, so just with one prompt, guys, we are going to have this, all of this, just as beautiful as it is. Okay, so another thing we have here is that you could download this, right? You could just download as ppt or as Google Doc or wherever save. So let's download this. Then again, you can have it in the presentation mode, right? Start from beginning. So you're going to start your presentation. You could see this is beautiful, so you keep changing each slide. All right, so is just going to show up like that. Okay, so that is it, guys. With just a prompt, you get a very amazing, a good slide, an amazing slide. Just describe what you want and Manus AI is going to get it done for you. So this is what we have. In the next video, I'm going to show you something actually very wonderful, because there we are going to be building something similar to this. I'll show you how I built this just using just a single prompt again to build this. And not just this alone, the backend is going to be working, you know, a full-fledged website or web application. We are going to build it and everything working. Okay, that is what we are going to do in the next video.